How could a boy, born frail, fatherless, and overlooked, grow to unravel the very rules of the universe? Imagine a cold English countryside, the wind slicing through bare fields, and a child huddled in tattered clothes, ignored by neighbors and even by fate itself. This boy, Isaac, was never expected to matter. His father had died before he was born, leaving him to the care of a mother who soon abandoned him to remarry, leaving young Isaac to wrestle with solitude and the gnawing sense that he was unwanted. In those early years, he was small, sickly, awkward, a boy whose mind wandered into corners where others could not follow, who saw the world not as it was presented, but as a puzzle begging to be solved. He failed at school, struggled to connect with peers, and often retreated into the silent company of books and his own imagination. There, amid whispers of geometry and alchemy, he discovered the first seeds of curiosity that would one day topple the pillars of conventional thought. The turning point came not with fanfare, but in quiet, almost cruel isolation. He was left alone during a plague that emptied the streets, the world shuddered, and yet in that forced solitude his mind exploded. An apple fell, or perhaps it did not matter whether it fell at all, but that simple act became a keyhole through which he glimpsed the invisible threads that hold the cosmos together. Confusion and obsession consumed him. Nights stretched into mornings lit only by candlelight, eyes burning with equations scribbled furiously on scraps of paper, a mind at war with itself and the universe alike. Ideas collided within him like lightning, and slowly, painfully, the chaos in his mind birthed a new order, a vision that no one else could yet comprehend. His discoveries would redefine reality, the laws of motion that rendered the sky and earth one unified dance, the force that pulled the moon and the apple alike, unseen but undeniably real, and a light-splitting curiosity that revealed color, nature, and the unseen layers of existence itself. Yet the world did not welcome him with applause. Newton was mocked, doubted, even attacked by contemporaries who could not bear the audacity of a man claiming to see what others could not. He battled rivals who stole his ideas, faced institutions entrenched in dogma, and endured the cold skepticism of a society unready for the truths he carried. And behind the genius, there was a man fractured, obsessive, consumed by his own pursuit. He could not rest. Friendships wilted, love faltered, health suffered. Hours became days, days became years, and still he pursued the answers no one else dared to touch, haunted by the weight of knowing that a single misstep might dissolve the very understanding he had fought so desperately to build. But it was in this relentless solitude, in this fierce commitment, that the world found its most profound truths. Today, every time a rocket leaves the Earth, every time a bridge spans a river, every time a smartphone connects continents in a blink, Newton's mind whispers through the machinery of our lives. His laws underpin the invisible architecture of reality. His courage to defy certainty reminds us that human vision can stretch far beyond the boundaries of convention. And yet, beyond the equations and experiments, Newton's story remains a testament to patience, to the hidden power of the overlooked, the abandoned, the lonely. The apple may fall, but greatness often rises from the shadows, quietly, insistently, where no one is watching, and sometimes it takes a lifetime of solitude, struggle, and relentless questioning to change everything. So when you gaze at the night sky, or feel the pull of gravity beneath your feet, remember that behind every certainty, every law, every miracle of understanding was a boy who believed in questions no one else would dare to ask, and who taught the world that the invisible is only invisible until someone dares to see it.